what are we going to do?
Pull out the carrot.
Let's go check on the carrots.
Okay.
What do you need help on? I already pulled some of the carrots, but they're still a little baby. Just thought that I had the kids pull some carrots so that the rest of the other carrots can grow. Okay, let's pull some carrots.
Okay, where's the
Okay, I'll show you which one to pull, okay? Because we don't want to pull all of them. Because if we pull all of them, then we won't have any more carrots. So we're going to pull the big ones out, okay? You see this big one right here? You want to pull that one out? Pull this one. Pull it all the way out. Pull, pull, pull. Whoa! Show mommy, huh? Whoa! What color is that?
Green.
Green? But what color is the carrot?
White. White.
White. Good job.
We're gonna get.
Okay, Caillou. There's 2 down here. You pick one. I think they're all white. Pick the big one. Oh, go ahead and grab the lue to carrot. Come on. Mo poka. Wow, yours big. Huh?
White.
White. What about you, Jasmine? Why don't you pull the other one? There was a big one right there too. Oh, we still need the little baby. I'm gonna eat the little baby one. Okay, there's a big one right there too. Mm-hmm.
You eat a little baby.
You want to eat the little baby? Oh, that's fine.
Wait,
Wait, you pulled the wrong one, kid.
Sorry.
It was that one. It's okay. Yeah, that one. There you go. Whoa, Jasmine, yours big. Allah, don't go there, Lala. I just found big one. Allah, come here. I found big one. La 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 la. There's a big one right here. You see that? That's a red carrot. Go pick it. Jasmine, go put it. I don't want her to step over my little garden. Pick it. This big one. This one right here. Pull it. Pull it. I help you. Uh-oh. Can I pick it? Okay. Oh my God, this one's big.
Let me do it.
Okay, do it. That one's big. I didn't know that was a big one. Should we do that?
Uncle.
Hurry, hurry, hurry. You can't get it? Any help?
No.
You sure? Here, I think I'll do it. Oh my goodness, this is the big one. Whoa, that is the big one. Okay, which one did you carry? No, it's not black. These are the purple one.
I found another big one too.
Where?
Ella, hold my phone.
Okay.
I'll hold it.
Oh, there is a big one right here.
I told you.
Oh wow, awesome. No, you're killing my salad.
Ella, why you
Not
kill
that
mom
one.
with cat? Find me a big one.
It's okay, just pull some. Don't pull all of them.
This one.
Oh. Okay. I think that should be enough. We're gonna let the rest of them grow, okay?
Okay.
Cut the carrot for me.
Carrot?
Yeah, cut the stem right here. What's another cup of chai? You don't know how to do it?
No.
Too big? Can I do it?
No, I'm doing it by myself.
Okay.
Mommy.
You want to cut? Why don't you pick those little tiny one first? Okay? Cause I make a plug mà mua có cả. Lo. Cause I make.
Whoa. Okay, I know my turn. No, I don't know. Before I put the dirt in your mouth. Yeah. Okay, here, eat it. Eat it. Then let me touch.
Rubber's hand.
I will hold it.
Rubber, hold it for you.
Don't touch the towel.
We're teamwork. Help each other.
No, I don't.
Yeah, right there.
Touch it. Touch it. Wait, Ella, not yet.
Oh, there you go. That's good. Ooh, kinka, kinka.
One more.
No, that's good.
Maybe.
I don't think she can do it. Can she? Oh, good job. Thaum.
My best.